Hello everyone, I am Susie.
I am Lucy.
Today we will take you to the kids' castle. There are many good stories and lots of fun toys in the kids' castle. Let's go together. Hooray! Hi my friends, today I'm going to read those books. And now let's get started. Ben's Pants. The sound of short ink. Ben has a lot of pens. How many pens? Okay. Let's see. Ben counts them 1 to 10. Ben gives a pen to Jen. Jen draws a little hand. Ben gives a pen to Meg. Let's see. Meg writes a letter to Peg. Ben gives a pen to Ted. Ted makes a picture for Ned. Ben packs up a pen to send. How many pens are left in the end? How many? Okay.
6.
Now I'm going to ask you after this word list. Ben, end, hand, Jen, left, letter, Meg, Ned, Peg, pens, sand, Ted, ten, then. Okay, I'll ask you a question after this short story. Okay, don't look.
For this word? They have one same thing. What is it? When you read them, one same sound. What is it?
Same sound.
They have the same sound. Rhyme. Which one is a rhyme?
Ben and Ben, hand.
And what else?
Jen. Jen, send.
Pens.
Pens,
Pen.
ten, then.
其他也都是 I 都是发 I 的音，这个 e and 即使是 and 也是，是不是 ？Left I left ladder.
Okay, I'll ask you how many pens are left in the end?
6. Is that right?
What did Jen
For
draw?
different people. They draw a letter to whom? I forgot to whom. What did he draw?
What does Jen draw?
Jane wrote a letter to somebody, to Meg.
Jen.
Jane wrote a letter?
No,
No, then
incorrect.
What is it?
She draws a little hand.
Oh, he draws a little hand. Okay, all right.
I ask you another topic.
What else?
How many pens are on the starting page?
Starting page.
How
I
many?
forgot. 10.
How did you know?
You told me 10. Isn't it?
Okay, I will ask you another one. What does Ted uses? What did Ted uses?
What means what did Ted use?
Ted makes why does Ted needs a pen?
Because he needs a pen to write a letter.
No,
Why?
it's Ted makes a picture to Ned.
Okay, all right. Let's see the next story. Will that be good? Say goodbye to your friend.
Bye. See you next time. So that's all for today. If you had nice stories or fun toys, remember to write to Susie and Lucy. We will share it with every kid in the first place. If you like our channel, remember to click on the subscription below. Susie and Lucy are waiting for you here. See you soon!